Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila and Frank. Y'all come on and watch us as we mukbang the steak and eggs. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you a little snippet and then we're gonna get into the mukbang. Alright, so I pulled these babies out the freezer. We got some ribeye steaks and now they have thawed. I have washed them and now they're room temperature. Now we're gonna get ready to season these thick babies up. Oh yeah. First, what we're going to do, we're going to start adding the seasonings, and then we're going to rub all these seasonings in this good old ribeye steak. We have some seasoned salt, and just season per your taste buds. And then we have some black pepper, onion powder, some paprika for color, and some liquid smoke. Then we're going to add the extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, and that's just the start, because not only are we going to have some steak, but we're going to also have some eggs made Sheila's Creations way. Oh yeah, baby. Where my oh yeah baby's at? Oh yeah, baby. So we're cracking up the eggs. Got 8 eggs. We're going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of that roasted potato seasoning, which has the bacon and chives, some black pepper, and that onion powder. And we're going to add about 2 gigantic handfuls of that shredded Fiesta cheese. Oh yeah. And we're going to fry these up in omelet styles in that good old steak. That good old steak juice and oil that was left over. Oh yeah. Y'all come on and join us at the table while we eat these delicious steak and eggs. The steak, of course, is medium to medium well, and that omelet that is seasoned with that steak meat liquor is going to be so delicious. So come on to the table and join us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and become family with us today, because we love being a part of your family and we love opening up our doors to breakfast, lunch, or your dinner. Oh yeah, baby. So where my oh yeah babies at? Oh yeah. What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sheila
and Frank.
PromoSTK.
Eating good neighborhood.
And Bella, y'all. Y'all hear Bella and Red and Junior. But Bella right now wants to let y'all know that she's here in the house too. Good old steak and eggs. Oh yeah. All right, my husband gonna bless the food and I'm gonna share with y'all because we're gonna get it in.
Before I choke you, Lord, we thank you for last night, Rick. We thank you for this food by the sea for nourish my body. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Girl, you know what?
Amen.
You're gonna
Amen.
keep on with knock.
Amen.
You're gonna keep on with knock you out, Sheila.
Oh, let me go ahead and share with y'all. Y'all saw how I did my eggs in the beginning. Oh yeah. Lord. And that steak. Ribeye.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Put my beer bone.
Put it on.
Go ahead and put some sauce on my steak.
Do that. You ain't got none of that. What you call the sauce?
Only what you call it I know is a candy bar.
Candy bar what?
What you call it?
No, I'm talking about the go on the eggs, Sheila. You know what I'm talking about. You keep getting smart.
What salsa go on the eggs? Salsa?
Man, I'm tired.
It's in the refrigerator.
I'm tired of your butt, girl.
I'm tired of you,
I'm gonna get rid of your ass.
Good.
I'm gonna get rid of you.
Good. I'm going to cut my steak, you guys.
Pain in the butt. That's what you are, a little pain in the butt.
You know about pain in the butts, don't you?
Yeah, you keep running your mouth.
Boy, I ain't got time for you.
What you say?
I said, boy, I ain't got time for you.
Keep on, get on camera.
That's what I say.
They gonna see me.
I didn't stutter.
Uh-huh.
I did not stutter.
Keep on.
I did not stutter.
Girl, if you don't, oh, I'm not this girl like y'all.
Let me dip it in some of this little sauce, y'all.
I don't think I got enough.
Steak. Let's try it.
Who won't mind? You can just bite around it. Just bite all around it until you get your enough. Let me get this. Did something fall off? I don't know. You're so greedy. You're so greedy.
And I fried my egg in my steak, y'all.
Fried what?
I fried my egg in my steak.
What do you mean fried in the steak?
In my meat steak juice. I fried my egg.
So you couldn't do mine like that?
Yeah, you good.
Oh, well, you better say I fried my egg.
But I put mine in there first.
No, I don't care. Girl, you something else.
Hey, y'all.
All you had to do say I fried our eggs. I hope this ain't too much bacon up in here.
Medium well. Medium well.
That looks too much. You something else, girl. What y'all living your man? This one we could have eaten for breakfast too. Steak and egg.
You can eat steak and egg for breakfast or for
No,
lunch
I know
or for dinner. I have some fat right here. I can get off. Yeah, let me cut this fat off.
This is gone.
No. There we go.
That tastes like that. Is that cheese, dog? What's in this egg?
Watch the video and you'll see exactly what I put in the
That's gonna be
egg.
why I popped it with a spoon.
You'll see exactly what I put
I'll
in the egg.
snap in the next week.
And stop complaining all the time.
Listen, who's coming? Somebody complaining.
You're like you don't have taste buds.
No, when you can't have your way, listen, I'm talking about
Yeah.
complaining, y'all.
Y'all know what's in these eggs. So y'all watch the video.
Chill out. Chill out, okay? Don't have me to body slam you on this day. On this day, okay? That's how I leave it at that.
I still eat the fat, y'all.
Nothing wrong with that. That's the first time eating the fat.
I'm not talking to you.
That's why I asked you.
I'm talking to my YouTube family.
You think anything wrong with me, I'll stick this fork up your nose.
I'm gonna hit that fork up your butt.
So look over here. Ain't nothing. Now you don't be the baby. Look. Red.
So they want some steak too.
Red.
So I pray everybody having a beautiful day out there today.
Red. And I got all three of them over there, Lord Jesus. I know good man ain't getting it. Not today, no way. That's good. Nice and good. Oh yeah. Get your little booty back. That's too big for me. That's good though. That time get it just right.
Baby, that's the way it's supposed to look.
Good.
I do my steak well, medium, or medium well.
Baby, quiet.
And
Camel.
yeah,
Baby, quiet. I'll
ain't
take
nothing wrong with your steak.
I'll take it with the host. It's too red for me.
Well, give me your steak then.
So you remember that time that darn steak makes my stomach?
No, that time you ordered that steak, it was rare. And you know good well you don't eat no rare steak. That thing
was no
do you see blood coming out that steak?
My steak wouldn't have no
Your
blood from the
steak,
North
yes, it was.
You need to
Like
shut
you
your mouth,
crazy.
girl. You just ready. You want to come out? Look at you now.
Excuse me.
Knock this one out.
I want some.
Look at it. I'm gonna knock your butt out. What y'all doing? You just taking the whole darn camera. I know that much. Good girl, you know you can. Hey, y'all. These dogs me.
Don't forget, y'all, Sheila and get your animals hold this water.
Move that thing out of the way, girl. Ain't nobody
Yeah.
talking about that. What you talking about? Ain't nobody talking about that. What you talking about?
Y'all saw what I did. I know y'all did.
Oh. Girl, you something else. God. We're ready. All right, boy. I'm gonna start coming in there. Come on. Need to pick her up. And better. I don't know why she left nowhere. She's crazy as the devil.
Get some more?
Hey!
That's something to do.
No.
My dog.
There's somebody like a little, you ain't got no video in this moment. There's somebody like a dog all the time. Hey, brother, stop! Stop! Bella.
Bella's saying something now.
I'm gonna pop Bella. Bella. Bella, you just, ooh, you getting terrible. Hold on. Be white, Bella.
He still had a TV on in the family room.
Ain't no TV on.
So ain't no TV on this house at all. And we hear voices.
No, I thought I heard a dog on the outside. I did. Why did we got like that? All right. Cut it out, Bella. Bella. That dang down crazy.
I know that you
Never
never fail. Somebody coming.
Ain't nobody coming.
Never fail.
They probably told you coming. I don't believe nothing to say that.
I hear voices.
Check my name. I ain't hear no voices.
Something on.
There's something playing in the background. Go,
Frank,
no,
nothing on my phone.
maybe they do or something.
That's too close. I got
Oh, that's probably them children not back there.
I don't know.
I heard some screaming. You heard it like a little child.
Could be that TV in that family room. I think it's on.
I don't know what's going on. It ain't cut on.
Yeah, there's some kids.
Them young be out playing on.
Come here.
There, it's right there.
As y'all see, we don't have any bread. And we don't have any carbs. So Frank's blood sugar been crazy.
Yeah, and she just eat that ain't the kind of junk. But and when I eat something, I just go haywire.
But I'm eating some junk.
Yes, you do.
That you eating junk. Where'd you go to the store and bought yesterday?
We being young now. I ain't got to get on something and do already. You stop that.
I'm trying to cook healthy for you.
No, you're a mess, darling. You're a mess.
I'm trying to cook healthy for
No.
you.
I'll
And
be
you go
back.
back and sneak. See y'all.
Move it. Hey, up. Move. Move.
My nose itching. And every time my nose itch, somebody come. I'm not gonna drop no steak, Bella, so I'm looking at me like that. Huh?
Move. Got them children out there. Move. Get out the way. Bella, you gonna get stuck.
Steak and eggs, y'all.
Move, girl. Ain't nobody
Who want
stuck.
it?
Ain't nobody stung you. You totally neat.
Oh.
Girl, you better be frying that hula. Look at that. I like the fat on the rib. That's the what you have.
The bristle?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No. I love fat, but you can't eat that grizzle.
I pull your darn teeth out.
All right. Steak and eggs again, y'all.
You girl just something else. I don't know what I'm doing with it. Another 18 years? I don't know. That's hard to say. You better eat the rest of that darn meat.
So I'm here.
Dang, what is that?
Give me some water. Gotta have my water. My water. Gotta have it. My water. My water. My water. Oh, yeah. Gotta have it. My water. Gotta have it. My water. Gotta have it. My water. Gotta have it. It's hard to talk when you be eating, y'all, because the food's so good.
Hey, you get between my legs. Junior.
That'll be a piece of steak.
You ain't through.
I know.
How that meat?
Okay.
How you feeling?
I just need to belch. I said I'm gonna finish. I just need to belch.
Who that? Who did it? Who did it? Did you do it, Red? Make a good steak sandwich. Put that on the bread.
But you can't have no bread.
Y'all been talking about, girl, you something else.
Oh, we would have potatoes in general. Oh,
What?
no, we come. To the end of the road. Still I can't let go. I know. nose still itching. Come on, come on. Come on, belt.
That was why you know eating that means not coming.
Well,
I don't know about all that.
you should know, because every
You
time
know.
I've done it, it's happened.
Nah. Girl, you better be quiet. You know what happened.
Don't even lie. Here's what happened.
Lord have mercy.
All right. My last bite, steak and egg. Who want the last bite, steak and egg?
You do.
Last bite.
You got heathen dollars. Lord have mercy.
Oh, big bite. Oh, a real big bite.
Red. Oh, that's good.
Oh, what was that?
I built. I ain't gonna no water me.
I was good.
They did. These dog dragons don't look.
My nose is itching.
That was gonna say that.
I know, but it's still in there.
Maybe all them lies you told too.
Excuse me. Your nose don't itch for lies. And I don't know.
Yeah. That what
I guess it takes a liar to know a liar.
you keep getting smaller. I told you.
You getting smart with me. Call me a liar.
I'm gonna put you right that chair, ready in that dog food bowl.
You must want to eat the dog food.
No, you gonna eat it.
That's what you gonna be doing.
That way you gonna land up
Eating the
at.
dog food.
You gonna land your booty right over there in that bowl.
That bowl a little too small for me.
Ain't too small.
It's just right for you. Because you about to be in a dog house.
That one be.
They said, what you waiting on? They said you should have had a bigger piece. I'm so glad y'all enjoyed and y'all stayed for all this buckets. Ruckus.
Ooh, you don't see me laughing.
Why you cutting them little pieces to get to the dog? You got 3 little pieces over there just to get them dogs. I know.
That's all they need. Wow.
They need a dog food.
They gonna get that too. Watch her.
Don't be giving them that sauce.
That sauce ain't gonna
Hey,
hurt.
upset their stomach.
You just the crazy them damn. It's stupid. Them dogs ain't gonna have no upset stomach.
Giving them saucy stuff, yeah.
Yellow.
And
That
for
little
somebody
bit,
that
that little
says
bit.
Ooh, my steak is too rare. You sure demolished it.
You know what?
He know he love my food. He love it.
That girl just crazy.
He hate to admit it, but he love it. 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 Whew. Thank y'all for watching, showing love, being a part of our PromoSTK, family. Riding with us, our ride or diers. Yes. PROMOSTK.
Being good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Being good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Being good in the neighborhood.
Sheila way.
Being good in the neighborhood.
Sheila Creations way.
Being good in the neighborhood.
Sheila Creations way.
Being good in the neighborhood.
Sheila Creations way.
Being good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK. Oh yeah, baby.
Break it up.
Oh
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, don't forget, go check out Welcome to the Sea Lot channel. 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 Y'all go check her out. Go to her channel and show her some love. Tell her PromoSTK sent you, PromoSTK sent you, PromoSTK sent you, PromoSTK sent you, PromoSTK sent you.
Girl, cut that thing.
PromoSTK sent you,
See how you like your family coming me. That ain't funny.
Love you guys.
Bye, y'all.
Y'all say bye to Grump Grump.
Yeah, you want to grump.
Love you guys.
Pack all this stuff up.
Don't forget, Sheila 10 get you in. Check my description box below. Oh yeah, babies.